Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be learning how to use an XPath, a name, or an ID. So let's actually get started. So first thing, let me actually get rid of this website, and I have a thread.sleep in the beginning. I'm going to Google and then another thread.sleep, and let's actually put a text on this section that we used in the last tutorial. So let's go back. And first thing that we need to do is actually define a web element. So I'm going to write web element, and I'm going to give it a name of text box equal to driver dot find element, and then you write by dot, and then this is all the options that you have. You have class, you have CSS selector, you have ID, you have name, tag name, XPath, and so on and so on. So you actually have a lot of options. So let's actually use ID, for example. So the ID, we need to put an ID inside of it, and after that you put a semicolon, and let's import the web element right here. And let's go to Chrome and go to Google. So let's actually do this again. So let me inspect this section, and make sure when you inspect, you're actually inspecting the text area, not this div. Because if you inspect the div, you're actually not going to input it in the input area. We need the one that has the input HTML tag. So let's see what's the idea of this. The idea of this is something weird, lst-ib. So let's actually copy that and go right here and then put it right there. So let's actually do something about it. Now we actually just defined what it is. We didn't actually do anything about it. So let's actually tell this text box that we want to make sure that it's clear. So that means if anything is on this text field, just clear it out. And this is a safety thing that you need to do. You don't have to do it, but I personally use it just in case if there's something on that field. But in this case, Google doesn't actually have anything on that field. And then I will do text box again, and then I'll do send keys. And send keys actually send keys. It sends a string that you want to type. So let's actually write something such as Selenium is the best tool ever, and my name is Becky, or whatever. My name is Becky. Okay, so let's actually save this and let's have a run. So if I run this, I'm gonna load the page after 3 seconds, and I'm gonna wait another 3 seconds, and what it's going to do is actually put all of that, and it quit too fast. So let's actually put another sleep right here for 3 seconds. And let's get rid of this sleep because we actually don't need it. And then let's run again. And you will see that it will just type this, and then after 3 seconds it will actually close. So let's actually use something else. Let's not use the ID. Let's use name, for example. So let's go back to our page and look for name. So it has a name of Q. So this could be a problem because maybe there is another name that has a name of Q, but let's give it a try. So if I save and run again, in theory it should work the same way. And it worked. But in some cases this would not work if there's another name that has a Q, and I'll show you guys in the next tutorials how to actually avoid that. So let's use the last one. Let's use class. So if I do by class, and I think class name, that's what it is. Yep. So if I save and run, it will do the same exact thing. And here you go. So that's it for this tutorial. So today we learned how to navigate or identify the element using class, name, ID, and we also were able to do ascend keys, which allow us to type some text on a field. And in the next tutorial, we're going to learn how to do the same exact thing, but using XPath and how many types of XPath is that we can actually use. So that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.